if you get this error message which says disconnected from server, reason system request 10019 when playing Throne and Liberty game, then you can try to restart your device and your internet connection. If you're still facing the same issue, then the main reason is because you are located in unsupported region. So if you're located in a unsupported region, which is not listed in this page, then you will be facing this error message. So to fix this issue, you can try to use a VPN, a virtual private network, and connect to a server which is supported. You can just look here. I'll leave the link in the description for this page so that you can check which servers are, which location are supported, and use a VPN to bypass a location. If you use a VPN, you can be able to play this game smoothly. But if you don't use a VPN, then you'll be facing this error since you're located in unsupported region, which is not listed here. So I'll leave the link in the description also for these regions and other VPNs which you can check and help you connected to a server which is supported.